Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check that system protection is enabled and at least one restore point exists. This prevents wasted steps. Once done, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover any unsaved data. Now open Start, type Create a Restore Point, and press Enter to reach the System Properties dialog. Make sure the correct drive shows Protection On. This gets you straight into the tool without extra setup. You now run the System Restore wizard. Click System Restore, and then next to see Restore Point timestamps and descriptions. These tell you when Windows saved system state. If unsure which to pick, choose Scan for affected programs so you understand removed or restored apps and drivers. Once you select a restore point, confirm the date and description. Make sure no important installation is lost. Then click Finish. System Restore will restart Windows and apply the chosen configuration. Finish by waiting through the restart. Do not interrupt power or close the lid because partial restores can corrupt the system. When Windows boots, you'll see a success message. Check system behavior and reinstall any apps removed by the restore. If the restore fails, boot to safe mode and retry, or run startup repair from recovery options. This resolves driver conflicts and locked files. If problems persist, use your backup to recover personal files. Then consider reset this PC while keeping your files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.